Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by sanitizing your tools and workspace so contamination won't ruin the serum. Once clean, measure oils, water, and emulsifier to the exact gram so the texture forms right. Consistency depends on ratios. Heat oil and water phases separately to about 70 degrees 75 degrees C. This matching temperature prevents separation. Make sure to run a quick patch test on your inner arm and note any irritation before proceeding further. Once both phases reach the same temperature, pour the oil phase into the water phase while stirring. This is where an emulsion forms, so steady motion matters. Use a stick blender in short bursts for 1 to 2 minutes to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency and avoid air pockets. Make sure to let the mixture cool below 40 degrees C before adding heat-sensitive actives like vitamin C or peptides, then fold them in gently and mix briefly to integrate. You'll finish by transferring the serum into a sterile pump or amber glass bottle to limit air and light exposure. Label it with the date and main actives so you track potency. Once stored in a cool, dark spot, follow recommended shelf life guidelines and use within that time frame. If minor separation happens, you can re-emulsify using a brief blender session. However, if the scent, color, or texture changes dramatically or irritation appears, stop using.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.